Hi guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is gonna be about soft glam makeup tutorial. So if you like what you see so far, please continue watching and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. And yes, let's begin. So I have a little bit of moisturizer on. Now I'll apply my primer. The primer I'm using today is from Smashbox Photo Finish Smooth and Blur Primer. So I'll be doing my eyes first. So for that I'll conceal my lid. The concealer I'm using on my lid is from LA Girl Pro Conceal. So now I'm taking my blending brush and put the shade right on the crease. The blending brush I'm using is from Miniso. And the palette I'm using today is from Morphe 3503. This is the palette. And the shade I'm using is Ignition. Now I'm gonna use the shade Stamina. It's a really dark brown color and I'll put right here. After this, I'll apply the shade Stun Wild and I'll use a flat brush. It's from Wet n Wild and I'll wet it with the primer water. It's from Smashbox. I'll place it right here. The shade is amazing. So I'll do the same step on the other eye as well. Now with the blending brush, I'll just blend these two together. After this, I'll use a angle brush. It's from Miniso as well. And I'll take black shade and give it a shade effect. I'll not apply the liner, I'll just do it with the shadow itself. So now I'm gonna throw some mascara on. The mascara I'm using is from Milk Makeup. This mascara is really very nice because it gives, your lashes a volume and it lengthens your lashes too. I'll do the under eyes after I'll do my base. So for the base, I'm using Huda Beauty's foundation in the shade 330N. I'll just take a pump and with the help of beauty blender. So for the concealer, I'm using LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade medium beige. This is just for balancing the darkness. Now for the brightening up, I'll use the Maybelline Concealer Fit Me in the shade medium. So for the loose powder, I'm gonna use Fit Me loose powder in the shade 15 Light. I'll do some baking with it. So now I'll do my eyebrows. The product I'm using for it is Maybelline Total Temptation in the shade 315. I'll use the spoolie side first. And then the pencil side. So now I'll bake off the loose powder. Now I'll do the under eye portion. I'll first apply the kajal. It's from Maybelline. Now I'll do the under eyes with the angular brush itself. I'll take the black color and do this. I'll give it the shading effect. After this, I'll apply the bronzer. The bronzer I'm using is from NYX. This in the shade Deep Tan. I'll use my PAC 214 brush to apply the bronzer. So after the bronzer, I'll use the blush. The blush I'm using today is from Sivanna colors. I'll take the pink shade. After the blush, I'll apply the highlighter. The highlighter I'm using today is from Becca in the shade Champagne Pop. The lipstick I'm using today is from Maybelline Superstay in the shade 80 Ruler. Now I'll use the Smashbox primer water to just set all the makeup. So this is a final look.